Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. And on my right hand, I'm going to introduce our new products. So let me give you the overall sizes first. The unit's length, they are about like 35 inches. And the depth will be 22.5 inches deep. And the overall height is about like 26 and 3/4 inches. So as we can see, the unit is coming with all glass display, and they come with the double layers on top, front, and the side both. And the bottoms, they're using the metal stainless steels. And when we turn around, we can see they do have a ETL sanitation secrets right here, cut sheets, and the diagram information. Also, they come with a serial number for the faster service. When we turn around to look at the behinds, we can see they do have a controllers mounted at the bottoms and a switcher for the power. And also the units coming with the 110 standard US plugs, the compressor mounted at the bottom too. So let me give you the overall dimensions for the inner side. For top shelvings, it's about like 13 inches deep. And the bottom shelvings, it's about like 14 inches. And the length of the shelvings, they are about like 32 inches wide. And also for the inner side on top of the units, they come in with the LED light strips. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.